Dude, I hate this town so much. Why is Michigan like this? Okay, so we got some ProTaper pillow top grips. Those look good. I didn't get the ones with the like the edge on them. I don't know. I thought that these would look better. This is probably gonna be my favorite part. I got a 1-finger clutch for it, and I'll probably end up lubricating the clutch line and rerouting it too, just because it's a little stiff right now. But yeah, there's that. So we'll unbox this dude. And just like that. Yeah, I like the feel. I think this is apparently this is the anti-rip tip. Did you look at that? I don't know, it must not I guess it doesn't rip. That's what they say. So yeah, these feel really nice. This would be way better than what I have right now. Side. Jeez. That's some thick cardboard. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this all looks like pretty good quality. I think this is billet. Yeah, I think this is gonna work really nice. Sweet. So the next thing we got here, it's a little big for my space. How does that look? So here's the main attraction. Woo! Look at these. So yeah, these are the ProTaper SE 7/8. This is the one for the KLX 110. So they're a little taller than the Honda Minis, which is what I want. I want something just a little taller than what they are right now. These feel really nice. Yeah, these will be way better. ProTaper 7/8. KLX 110, DRZ 110. So yeah, these are a little taller than the Honda Mini, so that'll be nice. Sweet. All right, boys. Let's start getting this shit off. Holy shit, boys. See that? Fuck that screw. We've been working on that bitch for like an hour.
That is why you don't... Snug is tight, okay? Snug is tight. You don't need 4 Ugga-Duggas to put on a handlebar.
True.
All right?
That is just ridiculous.
Don't run it on there that tight. Just go on a little bit.
So, got the bars off. It's all gross in there. Clutch off. Don't need the stupid boot anymore. Cheers, brother.
All right, what are we doing here, Matt?
So, see on the throttle tube here, this little lip makes it a beach to get the new grips on. So we're gonna say bye-bye.
Not using any eye protection.
Looks good.
Go on.
Masterful.
Masterful. Check fitment here. Oh, yeah, okay.
Just a little dirty on the inside today.
A little bit. ProTaper, sponsor us.
Okay, so do a little walk around. Here's the clutch. Yeah, true. I'm shocked right now. It's super smooth to pull in. It's way better than the last one. You see now I just gotta do one finger. It's super wide though. Yeah, bud.
Now you got the matching clutch lever,
True.
ProTaper,
That
forks,
and that. Gonna get a gold brake lever. Yes, Trevor. We have the
chain right there.
gold chain, by the way.
That's gold. By the way, that's a gold
24
chain.
karat.